Welcome once again to our channel, guys. How you guys doing? Today we're going to dive deep into Shiba Inu, and there's something you're going to pay attention to that is going on critically now on Shiba Inu chart. All right, so if that sounds interesting to you, if you want to know the next wave of Shiba Inu, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video as we dive into the chart properly. Last week, guys, we were expecting Shiba Inu to continue after this correction and start breaking out, but you can see, unfortunately, Shiba Inu break down. Okay, so giving us this 1 2 3 wave down, okay, and breaking this low. So what next are we expecting from that? All right, so I'm going to give you two scenarios of possibilities that might happen. All right, looking at the chart currently based on the data we have available. All right, the first thing is that, where the market is undergoing complex correction, all right, the complex correction mode. Now, having seen this scenario that the market give us this 3 wave down, which actually break this first impulse up, so you might have another impulse up coming like this, okay, that will not break this low and from there start dropping. All right, that is the first scenario, guys, giving us this, that is 1 2 3. Okay, so if it gives us this 3 wave down, then expect another sharp wave up and another wave down. Okay, and this wave down is going to be messy corrective before finally the market will be going on, giving us a wave down, a corrective structure, and a wave down. So this is a possibility, and this is the first scenario that might happen, okay, if actually it gives us this complex correction that is loading here. Then secondly, we might see a move out from here totally, okay, a breakout from here, which is likely because we can see that after this impulse, we have this correction A, B, C. All right, so if this plays out this way, then good and fine, that this is something that we should be happy about, okay? But if this is not breaking this current trend down, and if actually comes to break this low, that means the market is undergoing complex correction. So for now, what do we pay attention to? Just hold on, guys. Right, if you come down to 1 hour, you can see that the market is bouncing back. So let's just expect that something good happens, that after this, market gives us a bigger correction, and there we go. All right, so that is a scenario that we are looking at on Shiba Inu. If you take a look on the daily chart, where the daily chart is not looking that strong, bullish. Okay, looking at it this way, you can see that this trend has been broken here. This trend has been broken. So what it's telling us is a sign of weakness, but this weakness is not proven yet until we see this. But if it bounces very hard here, then we can start seeing another move up. All right, so we are still waiting for more data for us to make that conclusion of what the market will be doing here. All right, so let's take a look on Bitcoin too and see what the market is doing. Now, remember what I told you guys yesterday, we are still expecting Bitcoin to drop, guys. We're still expecting it to drop and break this low, and from there we can see a correction that might tag this trend, okay, and from there we now see the next phase on Bitcoin. Okay, so that's what we're expecting on Bitcoin, guys. For now, the market is correcting, and every other pairs is just correcting along with Bitcoin, and that's why we just need to like holding and wait for the next bounce that will play out. But for me, I see this to be a very long corrective structure. Okay, we have long corrective structure. So after that, we might start seeing the next wave up. So it will take a lot of time before this will be over. Okay, it take a lot of time, probably more than this wave. Okay, more than this wave, it take a lot of time before this wave will be over, before we start seeing the next move that might come. Now, remember what I told you guys about this coin. This is a coin that actually currently now is looking very, very bullish. All right, that is Tomo Chain. Tomo Chain is looking very, very bullish, guys, and I wouldn't want you to miss it. There are, even in the bear market, there are some coins that will still make it in the bear market, but there are few. And if you can understand the structural pattern, so what we are looking for, we're expecting at least to get to $5. Okay, that is like, from here to $5 will be how many percent? Let's measure it. Currently, that's like 67 to 70%. If you are entering bear market, which I doubt, you should not be expecting more than 100% per move. 50 to 70 to 100 per move is okay, guys. Okay, so if you know what you're doing, it's more than enough to, double your money within few days. All right, so that is what we're expecting on Tombo Chain. Okay, because I see this coin, giving us a lot of potential gain, and the next wave is going to be more aggressive than the previous, just like this one. Just like this wave, guys, you can see this one is very, very aggressive. Okay, that shows what happens here. But this one's a messy move, so I'm expecting this one to be very aggressive, very, very aggressive, even better than this first wave, guys. So that's why we don't want to miss out on this Tombo Chain. All right, guys, so that is just for today. I wish you guys the best, and as you remain profitable, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video. See you on the next video.